I think it's good for kids to get hands-on now, because the way the world's going with AI, computers, I feel like we need more, youngsters learning the industry.
Festool's not just about the tools, it's about inspiring the next generation. These kids' toys aren't just fun, they're built to spark curiosity, creativity and hands-on learning. When young people get to explore how things are made, they build confidence and problem-solving skills early on. My own kids copy what I do in a workshop, and with these mini versions of the real Festool gear, they're learning through play. It's safe, it's smart, and it's setting them up for a future where making things feels natural. That's the power of Festool at any age.
My kids, hopefully I can sort of give them a bit of a kick to learn the trade, having them here sometimes just to build bits and bobs, just sort of getting their eyes open to the real world, I'd say. So many kids want to be on social media, YouTube, Instagram, and most of us carpenters, joiners, that are people in the trade, have our own accounts now. So it'd be nice for kids to be able to build something, document it, put some nice music behind it, do some funky videos, so a bit of an inspiration into what they're building. My kids, obviously I've got twins, one's really good at maths and one's really good at art, so I think both of them skills will be good in our industry. So obviously the maths we'll measure in every single day, and the artistic sides, obviously you're designing and you want to make something really cool. Letting them, show their characters when we're building stuff here or at home, it's just really nice to see how they do things.